Shibanta balwaki agajinda mnyoku sans nem jongkari India. Kishipa yada kapot Border Security Force BSF minta kasing klapin long daka rally thuk thuk. Man perta halo kajing ma drugs bat banrat dingkhong ye ki kam snew kam sme bat ki kam tu kam thia. Yakte ka rally lastang nadu maupat BSF Shillong balapli du Dr. Lalja Ram Bishnoi DGP ka Jila Meghalaya Kumu Kongsan hakajing dan lang u Inderjit Singh Rana IG BSF Meghalaya Frontier bat kita ginong nya thuk thuk kinlit ru shadu nongba Delhi hakajing jangai komba 8000 news pa 8 kilometer.
Sir, please, sir.
Please, additional deputy commissioner, sir. मैं माननीय मंत्रिमंडल का Superintendent of Police District Raipur, गणमान्य व्यक्तिगण, media.
The message of patriotism and fraternity among the youth is one of the initiatives being undertaken by BSF under the aegis of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Rally was flagged off today from Mapot Shillong by Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, IPS, DGP Meghalaya, and rally will cover 2,797 kilometers up to national capital, Delhi. BSF Jawaz team has many records on their name, including a world record by riding the motorcycle for 10 hours, 34 minutes, 20 seconds continuously while standing on 16 feet, 5-inch tall ladder. And recently in March 2022, the BSF Seema Bhavani Surya Expedition Empowerment Ride 2022 Delhi to Chennai witnessed an amazing support from entire audience along the route. Now BSF Seema Bhavani team too got the world famous status, because here I am finding youth presence of youth. On behalf of our distinguished guests, I would touch upon the menace of drugs, which is spoiling the life and future of our budding generation. BSF is committed for hand-holding of affected youth, and our time-to-time drives to curb this menace is in our priorities. To channelize the energy of our youth, BSF is planning various recruitment rallies in near future. Hence, requisites for enrolling in BSF and other CAPF have been displayed for benefit of our youth. This is on my right side. Even in future, we are going to impart pre-selection training and coaching to the youth who are willing and interested to join the CAPF. We would also facilitate the youth who are talented in sports activities at national level. Our youth can play a paramount role to bring many laurels for the nation in various activities. Now, I'll not take much of time and proceed further for today's program.